Today's top world news headlines. Democracy Now! The Guardian. Headlines for May 19, 2026. Latest news from around the world. Yesterday. Tensions remain high between the US and Iran after reports that planned military strikes were delayed for further negotiations. Democracy Now! +1. The U.S. has reportedly indicted former Cuban leader Raúl Castro over the 1996 plane shootdown case, escalating tensions with Cuba. The Guardian. Bolivia is facing major protests, with U.S. officials warning of a possible attempted coup d'état. The Guardian. The European Union agreed on a new tariff arrangement with the United States after intense internal negotiations. ABC News. Britain has eased some sanctions on Russian oil because of rising fuel prices and economic pressure. ABC News. China's President Xi Jinping and Russia's President Vladimir Putin criticized U.S. foreign policy during a summit in Beijing. The Guardian. Health officials are monitoring rising Ebola cases in the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the WHO is considering experimental vaccines. The Guardian. Papua New Guinea issued warnings after unusual marine life deaths and possible water contamination concerns. The Guardian. Canada is facing calls for an investigation after the death of a woman linked to plasma donation procedures. The Guardian. For live international coverage, you can follow Reuters.com, TheGuardian.com, ABCNews.com.